So you've just finished another amazing meal on your Arteflame grill. Now it's time to clean it out. Grab yourself a metal pail and a shovel and let's get to work. First, get as much of the ash out as you can. Of course, make sure the ashes and embers are completely cooled off before doing so. If you find any wood unburnt, push those to the side. You can use them for your next cook. Then I like to grab a plastic cup and use that for some detail work. It's important to note that you must clean your Arteflame grill on a regular basis. Ashes over time will result in a concrete-like substance that will be difficult to remove. And don't forget the air gaps in the fire bowl. Those have a tendency to get stopped up from ash. Grab yourself a piece of wood or a brush and make sure all of your air gaps are open. Once you've done so, you're ready for another cook.